The magic key to unlocking life's closed doors. In the journey of life, many of us find ourselves standing before doors that appear to be closed. We contemplate, hesitate, and sometimes abandon our pursuits because we believe these doors are locked. However, the truth often is that the locks we perceive are merely products of our own minds. This revelation, encapsulated in a fascinating story shared by Aki Sharma, aligns with a profound teaching about the nature of our barriers and the power of our minds to overcome them. The tale of the magician Harry. Once upon a time, in a small European town, lived a magician named Harry. Known for his extraordinary skill, Harry proclaimed that he could unlock any lock in the world without a key. This claim garnered him considerable attention and fame across Europe. Harry's reputation reached a jailer in southern Europe, who decided to put his skills to the ultimate test. The jailer invited Harry to unlock the gate of his old prison, a challenge Harry readily accepted. As preparations for the event were made, excitement buzzed throughout the town. People gathered to witness the spectacle. With confidence radiating from him, Harry walked into the prison. The jailer closed the door behind him, leaving Harry to his task. Hidden in Harry's belt was a secret 10-inch piece of steel, his trusty tool for picking locks. With this tool, he began working on the lock. Hours passed, and a once confident Harry struggled with the lock. His initial self-assurance faded as he labored fruitlessly. Sweat drenched him as he wrestled with the lock, his efforts proving futile. Eventually, exhausted and defeated, Harry collapsed against the door, and to his astonishment, it swung open. The door had never been locked. The barrier Harry perceived existed only in his mind. Lessons from Harry's experience. Harry's story highlights a powerful and often overlooked truth. Many of the obstacles we face exist solely in our minds. Like Harry, we may expend tremendous effort trying to unlock doors that are, in reality, already open. This story prompts us to reflect on the mental barriers that hold us back and the ways we can overcome them. The illusion of locked doors. In life, we frequently encounter situations that seem insurmountable. Whether it's pursuing a new career, starting a business, or taking a significant personal leap, we convince ourselves that the doors are locked. We focus on the perceived barriers rather than the possibilities that lie beyond them. This mindset traps us in a prison of our own making, much like Harry's experience with the jail door. The power of perception. The ancient African proverb, "When there is no enemy within, the enemies outside cannot hurt you," sheds light on the power of our minds. Our perceptions shape our reality. If we believe we can't achieve something, our minds create an internal enemy that prevents us from moving forward. This enemy feeds on our doubts, fears, and insecurities, convincing us that we are incapable. Overcoming mental barriers. Overcoming the mental barriers we encounter involves shifting our perception and challenging the beliefs that hold us captive. This process begins with self-awareness and introspection. Recognizing false beliefs. The first step in overcoming mental barriers is to recognize the false beliefs that underpin them. These beliefs often manifest as internal dialogues that tell us we aren't good enough, capable enough, or worthy enough. By identifying these limiting beliefs, we can begin to challenge their validity and reframe our thinking. Embracing a growth mindset. Adopting a growth mindset is essential for overcoming mental barriers. This mindset emphasizes the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through hard work, dedication, and learning. When we embrace a growth mindset, we view challenges as opportunities for growth rather than insurmountable obstacles. Taking action despite fear. Fear is a natural response to the unknown, but it doesn't have to paralyze us. Taking action despite fear requires courage and a willingness to step outside our comfort zones. As we take small steps toward our goals, we build momentum and confidence, gradually diminishing the power of our fears. Practical steps to pushing open mental doors. To effectively push open the mental doors that hold us back, we can employ several practical strategies. Visualization and positive affirmations. Visualization involves creating a mental image of achieving our goals. This technique can help rewire our brains to focus on success rather than failure. Positive affirmations, repeated regularly, reinforce empowering beliefs and counteract negative self-talk. Setting realistic goals. Setting realistic, achievable goals provides a clear path toward overcoming mental barriers. By breaking down larger goals into smaller, manageable steps, we can make consistent progress and avoid becoming overwhelmed. Seeking support and guidance. Sometimes, seeking support from mentors, coaches, or peers can provide valuable perspectives and encouragement. Sharing our challenges with others can help us gain new insights and feel less isolated in our struggles. The role of mindfulness. Mindfulness practices can also play a crucial role in overcoming mental barriers. By cultivating present moment awareness, we can observe our thoughts and emotions without judgment. This practice allows us to identify and release limiting beliefs that no longer serve us. Meditation and breathwork. Meditation and breathwork techniques can help calm the mind and alleviate anxiety. Regular meditation practice fosters a sense of inner peace and clarity, making it easier to confront mental barriers from a place of centeredness. Journaling. Journaling provides a safe space to explore our thoughts and emotions. By writing about our experiences and challenges, we can gain deeper insights into the mental barriers we face and develop strategies for overcoming them. Applying these lessons to your life. Harry's story and the accompanying insights are not just abstract concepts. They are practical principles that can be applied to our daily lives. By recognizing the power of our minds and taking conscious steps to overcome mental barriers, we can unlock new opportunities and achieve our goals. Reflect on your own mental barriers. Take a moment to consider the doors in your life that seem locked. Reflect on the beliefs and perceptions that contribute to this sense of limitation. Are there areas where you might be expending unnecessary effort trying to unlock a door that is already open? Challenge your limiting beliefs. Identify the limiting beliefs that hold you back and challenge their validity. Ask yourself whether these beliefs are based on evidence or if they stem from fear and self-doubt. Replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Take small, consistent steps. Start taking small, consistent steps toward your goals. Each step, no matter how small, builds momentum and confidence. Celebrate your progress and remain patient with yourself as you navigate the journey. The story of the magician Harry serves as a powerful reminder that many of the limitations we perceive exist only in our minds. By shifting our perception, challenging false beliefs, and taking action, we can unlock the doors that hold us back and step into new realms of possibility. As we move forward into 2025 and beyond, let us carry this wisdom with us, recognizing that the key to our freedom lies within our own minds.